One of my followers sent me this in today, and it just came in, so let's open it up and see what it is. Now we're opening it up after some of the first bit of packaging, and I realize there it is. With the 3M sticker on the back, I know exactly what that is. That is a wall mount, and my radio slides directly into it, so that whenever it's on there, I put it on the wall and it hangs just like that. So let's go ahead and open up the second package. And now that I open it up, I actually just see that it is a bunch of baofeng cages. And so let's take a quick look at these and see how sturdy they are. And I'm looking at them and they seem to be pretty sturdy. So I guess what I'll do is I'll put each one of them on and kind of showcase each of the 3D printables. And before I forget to mention, this is a great little touch. Sending extra screws. Man, I can't tell you how many of my radios have lost all their screws, so I appreciate that. And here is the first one. Comes with the 3-button, the volume, and antenna protector. It's actually pretty sturdy and very thick 3D printing. I gotta say, I do like that one. I would even venture to say that if you're looking for sturdiness, this would be the one for how thick it is and how thick the 3D printing on it is. This one is definitely a lot slicker though. If you're looking for something more lightweight but still has a PTT protector and a volume knob plus a little bit something extra here, that little something being a microphone holder, this one would definitely be the one for you. I mean, it's medium weight, it's pretty light over here and up here, and it's not intrusive to the actual frame design. If you're looking for something to protect the PTT and the volume knob but not actually affect the design of your radio, this would be the one. It even follows the standard design for the extended battery going up the side over here. But it can definitely get even sleeker and smaller. See, without the volume knob, it becomes just a PTT guard. Following the trend of the extended battery still going up here on the design, you can see it's a pretty thin print covering only the PTT and sitting on the back very nicely, making it very small and able to still properly use your clip. Not that you couldn't use your clip before, but I'm also a weirdo and I really like skinny radios. But this one, very similar to the last one, except it's the one that made me nerd out just a little bit, has my call sign printed into the radio itself. And it does look very nice. I actually plan on coloring that in with a bright white to kind of match the baofeng sticker on there. Having that same slick design from the other ones, this is just a PTT guard and not a volume guard, but it comes with that added bonus of being able to show off just how smart you are. And he can print basically anything. I mean, there's my GMRS call sign. There was the ham radio call sign. So realistically, he can print anything he wants on there, including your name or anything else like that. I was sent these to kind of show off and review a little bit, and I had to say I am pretty impressed, especially with these very small, short, skinny ones that do not have the volume knob on it. These are my favorite by far, and I love that it has my call signs in it. If you want something like this, or even to go help out and support the guy who sent this to me, well, then you can go find him at TacticalPrintHub on Etsy. I'm not sponsored or anything, but the guy did send me this, and I gotta say, I like him. He did a much better job at printing these than I ever could, because I could never figure it out. So once again, if you feel interested in trying to support him, then remember, it's TacticalPrintHub on Etsy.